today we'll make a bolt. So today we'll make a bolt. So to make a bolt, what we need to do is first we need to draw a sketch. So to create a sketch, we need to click here. See that you are in the design workspace. We can select create sketch. Then you need to select one of the planes. Okay, once we select on the plane, we need to draw the head. So to draw the head, we select polygon. We can select any one of this. So let's go with the inscribed polygon. Okay, once you select this, I need to click the center and click select the dia of the circle. So that will be around 10 millimeter. It should be fine. So once we draw this, so click on finish sketch. So then what we need to do is next select this, select the polygon, and we need to extrude it. So to extrude it, you need to click on create extrude. Okay, and somewhat this tall should be okay, 8 millimeters. See that it's a new body, and you can click OK. Once we do this, we need to finish the edges. So to finish the edges, we select the top face, and then we say create sketch, and then we draw a circle. So we can select here center diameter circle, or we can go here circle, center circle. Okay, click on the center point, and then we drag around this much. This should look okay. Once we draw this, we can create say finish sketch. Once we do this, I'll just change. So to move the object, we can click press shift and the center scroll, so it comes in this view where we can move the object around. So now we select the circle, and then we click say once again say create extrude. Okay, now what we do is we instead of new body we create intersect, select intersect, and then I would drag it down. So once we drag it down, you should be able to change the angle. You can see this here, you can change this here, or if you can't see this, you can change it here. Change this to around 80. Okay, it is too much. We can do 70. 70 is also too much. 60. Yeah, this looks good. You can also adjust it by moving this. Okay, I'll keep it on 60 and I'll drag this down. Okay, now the whole bolt is visible, not the top part of the bolt is visible, and we say okay. So once we say okay, this whole the top part of the bolt is finished. Now we can do the bottom part. Okay, what we can do is we select the bottom face, and then we select create sketch once again, then we again select the circle, and then we draw a circle. So I'll select around 10 millimeters and I say okay. Then select the circle, then you can say finish sketch, select the circle, and then create extrude. Okay, and we will drag it down around 40 millimeters. This looks okay. So I think I want to create the threads now. So to create the threads, we can go to create, and then first select the face of the bolt on what we have to create the threads, then go to create and select thread. So once we do this, you can see, but it does not look right. So what we need to do is create, select molded. So what this does, it creates the threads inward. Okay, okay, we can select the thickness accordingly. Okay, here it will change. We want to create a m m10. Yeah, okay, so once we do this, these are other features of bolt. We can changes accordingly over here. Okay, and we can say okay. So here we have created a bolt.